welcome to this video. In this video, you will be going to learn what are the systems you need to acquire to run your digital business model. So, I have landed up with many systems. I have worked on many systems, but for you, I have landed up with some systems, some specific systems that you need to work upon, and from only that specific systems, you are going to achieve your business model. You are run your business model successfully. So let's start and see what are those systems you need to acquire to run your model successfully. So let's dive in. So here you can see the list of complete systems you need for your business model, and which will also lead you to live a freedom lifestyle. We will get into it one by one. First is your own community or hub. It is the most important and heart of your system, because without the hub you have nothing to show to your customers. The hub is the platform where all your content is stored and people are directed to it once they purchase your course. The content you are watching now is shown through the hub. You are given the link of it, and thereon you are directed to the content store, that is the hub. I have teachable.com as a hub where I have stored all my content. So the hub works as both like a content store as well as providing you the membership area, which is the reason that people can jump into next course after completing the first one. Second is we have landing page. It is the second most important part of your online system. Landing page is the one where you were directed when you clicked on my advertisement seen by you at Facebook or at any blog. I have ClickFunnels as a platform to manage my landing page and customize it accordingly. As you can see on screen, this is the interface of ClickFunnels, where you can find a variety of templates for landing pages to effectively design your landing page. And here are a couple of designs for your reference, how exactly a landing page looks like. First is a simple and normally designed page which is completely video focused. Next landing page is like another side of the coin, where you can see the product is explained by landing page, due to which it is lasting long and long downside. Actually, when you don't have that amount of quality video, your landing page must be long, which enables user or the customer to see more and more features of your product. Next is email marketing. Here GetResponse is the platform which eases out my work of email marketing. It has variety of email templates, design tools. With this email marketing system, you can set autoresponders, automate your emails, set sequence of emails for your clients, what we say as scheduled emails. We can also integrate the systems like PayPal as a payment gateway, WordPress as a blog into GetResponse. And as you start for work for your business model, it will help you out a lot in marketing as well as retargeting your customers. In the list, next is we have a content delivery platform, that is webinar platform, from which you are directly diverted to the purchase of the product, where we have delivered a lot of content about the product to you and explained it well. Demio or Zoom or Webinar Jam are the platforms which can adapt for your webinars. Demio and Zoom is one of the best platforms to manage all your settings and integrations as well. You can see on screen, next is the conversion tracking. For conversion tracking, I prefer ClickMagick to track all my clicks, conversions and revenue. You can simply track your complete sales funnel from this. It keeps you every record of sales, the clicks done at pages, and gives you idea of retargeting. And after all this, we must have a payment gateway to accept all those payments. It is also important to integrate it in your existing system that are working for your product. So I have PayPal here. PayPal can be the payment system where we can receive all domestic as well as international payments, and also integrate into platforms into it. Those are the systems which can turn your physical office into a virtual one. Yes, you have to make a virtual office with these systems. As in webinar, I have said that we have to build our business model without physical office and without employees. So this is our virtual office, what I was talking about. The investment for this virtual office is almost as same as your physical one, or even you can say lesser than a physical one. Now we will understand what patterns are running into your mind. In this case, you can either think like a business owner or either like an employee. If we discussed or consider the investment on systems which we have seen now, then how employee mindset will think like, oh no, that's too expensive, or I can't afford it. Now, if you are also from the same mindset, request you to please go and would kindly tell you that this is not for you. But if you think it by an employee mindset, I would really suggest you to stop it here itself, and you know that if you want freedom in your business, then you cannot operate in this mindset. You can never live a free life and you will continue working for somebody for whole life. But if you really want a live freedom lifestyle, you need to think out of the box. A business owner will look at this as a business capital. If you start any business in this world, it needs initial capital or investment to start. Your business mind will start calculating like if we invested 10 to 20,000 per month and if it go for 2 lakh per year, then still you should think that how to bring 5 to 10 lakh or even more out of that. If you would do so, you would literally break even and earn much more profit in a year. Now, similarly, if you look into a traditional business, they take almost 2 to 3 years to break even. But in this business, online business, you can break even in 90 days itself. So, the model is we must break even in 90 days and generate cash flow which is invested. Yes, it's a 90-day challenge. And once you're in a positive cash flow, then you can reinvest in it into traffic generation to scale your business. Then you can reinvest like $100, $200, $500, or you can go up to almost $1,000 and $2,000. You have to also invest for your coaching as well as later period, and trust me, if you aren't learning, then you are dying. With this note, I would like to comment you below that are you clear with this. I want exactly to know that what is your mindset, what mindset you are doing this. Are you serious? Are you serious about building as business long term, or you want to quit? Because this is the point that many of the people quit, but you won't quit because I know that you are from different mindset. You are different kind of person, and yes, you are from another breed of people who will take it positively to really live a freedom lifestyle. So before moving to next video, I would like you to comment what was your biggest takeaway from this video, and I will be personally reviewing each and every comment. Thank you and all the best.